Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to use Git Log command. Git Log provides history of Git commits from your repo, but there are additional parameters we can pass along with Git Log command that will further filter out your Git commit history. So let's get started. So this is the same repo which we are using from past many tutorials, and I am first simply running the Git Log command, and it lists all the Git commits one by one based on its author, date, and a commit message. Let's say we only want to see last two commit messages. We may run git log -n and the how many commits you want. So if I run it, it displays only last two commits. We can also see commit history of a specific user. So for that, we can supply git log -author and username. So I pass tag dev2. So it has provided these many commits. At the same time, if I change this to tag dev1, it provided only two commits, which that tag dev1 did. We can also see git log history by providing specific range of time. So for that, we can run command git log -since, and here I'm supplying 10 days ago until 2 days ago. So when I run it, I saw these four commits were done during this time. Sometimes this becomes difficult to read when the list size is long. So we can further simplify it in one line by running command git log one line. So that way, reading commit history becomes simpler, but it doesn't display the username and the date along with it. So that's how in different ways we can use git log command. And that's about this tutorial. If you find information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.